Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video we're going to go through question 35 from the Consortium Group 2 2014 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more work solutions from this paper and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. In a doctor's waiting room there are 6 seats in a row. Mr. Spencer arrives with his 2 children. He wants to sit between his 2 children. 3 other people arrive who do not mind where they sit. How many different possible seating arrangements are there of the 6 people? First off, let's highlight the important parts of the question. We have 6 seats, 3 of them who can sit anywhere, and 2 children and Mr. Spencer. The most important piece of information is that Mr. Spencer wants to sit between his 2 children. If we call Mr. Spencer S and his 2 children C1 and C2 respectively, we can arrange them as a unit and identify the different places they can sit. You may have already realised that Mr. Spencer cannot sit on any seats at the edge, as there must be a seat on either side of him. This means that there are 4 places where Mr. Spencer can sit. Now let's put his children in. C1, C2, C1, C2, C1, C2, and C1 and C2. Now what happens to the other 3 people who want to sit on the chairs? We have already discussed how to do this in class, so let's say there are 3 chairs. For the first one there are 3 possibilities. That leaves 2 people for the other seat, and the last person can sit on the final seat. Multiply these all together and we get 6 possibilities. 6 multiplied by the 4 possibilities that Mr. Spencer can sit gives us 24. But remember, we could have C1 on his right and C2 on his left, or the other way round. Now we have realised this, we need to multiply 24 by 2 to account for this arrangement. This gives us 48. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to gain valuable skills on how to approach problems similar to this one. Now don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.